another extras video for you today because we've got things to do. We've got storage spaces to build, we've got boards to put up, we've got a garage door being installed or trying to be installed, and the team's just trying to pull together and do everything we can in order to get more cars in, make more car videos, and do more car stuff. So yeah, it's just a look around the shop. We do have more videos coming on car content, and as soon as they're ready, we'll put them live for you. But here you go. Let's have a look around the shop.
Baby, why you call me? Do you feel alone? I know you miss me, but you are so dumb. You know that I'm here. I'm here. Come when you want. You know I always pray for your little boy. I know, yeah. I know that you miss me. 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 I know that.
Peter, say hi.
Hi. It's enough? Yeah? Maybe protect with something and maybe toy. Special. But, you know, we don't want to get a cheap one. It's not all the